what's really interesting, these statistics show that we spend our day with a little bit of writing, with more reading, with even more speaking, but 45% listening? Here's what I find amazing. When we went to school, grammar school, what did we learn? We learned reading, the 3 R's, reading, writing, arithmetic, right? Do we learn speaking? Now, some people have public speaking classes, but to the best of my knowledge, when I went to high school, I had a public speaking class. Most of the public schools now do not give public speaking. Some of the private schools still do or give you the opportunity to give a speech, but they're not really teaching speaking. How much are they teaching listening? I never learned, other than maybe exercises and the teacher reading something and you're having to respond, but nobody ever taught me how to listen. We're not really focusing on that as an important skill set, and yet it's critical, especially in the workplace. If we're not listening, what are we doing if we're all talking and not listening?